Want to know how to interact or use Spotify or ChatGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your ChatGPT application or this ChatGPT website. And once you have done that, you should be able to open a new tab. Just simply open up a new tab, and here you should be seeing your prompt text box. So you can just simply select it, and now just simply select Android right here, and we'll select Spotify. So once you have selected Spotify, so once that is done, you can just simply prompt your ChatGPT and use Spotify accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.